Bullish Axie boundlessness cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $31.82 and $60.11 by 2030. Market investigators accept Axie could reach $24.75 by 2025. Bearish Axie vastness market cost expectation for 2023 is $5.66. Axie vastness presentation. Axie limitlessness is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with conventional gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure certifiable prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Nonetheless, what makes Axie endlessness extraordinary is its utilization of blockchain innovation. What is Axie vastness? Axie vastness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be gathered from parts. The game elements a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game money, Axie, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with interactivity. There is likewise a milestones mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thus based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neural Connection Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in notoriety. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, mission framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Axie Endlessness Major Examination. The group behind Axie Boundlessness is extremely capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for north of 2 years and has an enormous local area of dynamic clients. Axie Limitlessness is one of the most famous games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by everyday dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and numerous ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 particular body parts accessible for these Axies, including amphibian, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them entirely alterable and habitually exceptional and extraordinary. Parts from each sort class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, intriguing, very interesting, and unbelievable. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies. Not at all like a few other blockchain-based battling and rearing games. Proprietors of Axie tokens can before long stake their tokens to get reliable payouts. Holders of Axie will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie Vastness Shards. Axie Limitlessness Shards, the environment's own administration token, are another part. These are utilized to partake in huge administration choices and will give holders a say in how cash from the Axie People Group depository is used. Non-fungible token. Each Axie is a non-fungible token with exceptional characteristics and capacities that can be utilized in 3v3 battle. The triumphant side acquires insight focuses, which are then applied to stepping up an Axie's details or developing its substantial parts. These Axies can be crossed to make new, unique posterity that can be used or traded on the Axie market. Axie and SLP. Both Axie and SLP are Ethereum network tradable ERC20 tokens. The Axie Endlessness biological system utilizes 2 essential tokens, Smooth Love Mixtures and Axie Limitlessness Shards, as the local administration badge of the stage. Axie holders partake in Axie's decentralized association and can impact how the stage creates. For instance, by deciding how the environment asset ought to be disseminated or how depository cash ought to be utilized. Then again, SLP is gotten through gameplay and might be applied to the rearing of youthful Axies. Administration. The decentralized administration model of Axie Vastness is planned to permit Axie partner cooperation in some stage advancement decisions. Axie Vastness current value. Axie Boundlessness is presently worth $7.07 USD. Axie has moved 3.02% as of now with an exchanging volume of $48,500,590. Axie Limitlessness is presently positioned 58 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $799,424,002 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Axie Limitlessness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Axie Limitlessness market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Axie Limitlessness value expectation 2023. Axie Boundlessness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Axie cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $10.61. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $9.90 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $8.49. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Axie Boundlessness Axie Cost Forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $17.68. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Axie's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $14.14 and a typical exchanging cost of $15.56. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $24.75 and Axie might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $22.63 and a low of $21.22 in 2025. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Axie vastness effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2026. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $31.82, with a base cost of $28.29 and a typical cost of $29.70. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $36.77 by 2027, with a base cost of $35.36 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Axie has a most extreme value worth of $38.90. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $43.85. In the event that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $45.97. Neglecting to accumulate the help Axie needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $42.43. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2029. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $49.50 and a yearly cost close above $53.04 in 2029. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Axie Boundlessness will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $56.58 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth